since we have completed the post request video in last video, we have learned about some common methods and post request, how to get the response, how to validate, and how to create the common methods. All are covered in last video. Today we are learning get API test in C# with xUnit and validate JSON response with Newtonsoft. Okay, so we are writing a test for get API users. Okay, so I will teach complete test. Okay, listen carefully. If you didn't watch if you don't know about API, how API works, why we test APIs, please watch my old videos. Okay, so you can come with me while learning and while teaching with series. Okay, so today we are learning get API request. What do you mean by get? I have told in last video, I will tell once again. Okay, get means we are getting something from API. We are getting users, we are getting like products like this. Just how the get request works. Okay, like this the get request works. So we are creating on class public class user test. So I will always tell, if you want to learn the coding, first you have to know what to do manually, then only you can write the code. Okay, public class user test. Fact, why we are using fact? This is come from xUnit. This is tell the class this is a test method. Okay, public void means it is returning nothing. Get single user should return correct user. This is my method name. Okay, this is not taking anything because get request just get from API. She don't give anything to method. Okay, we are responsible to API helper dot send request. API helper method we have created in the last video. So watch that video. Send request means you are sending a request to the API helper class. Like we want API users. Okay, and method dot get. Here lot of methods will come, get, port, delete, but we are using it to get the response. Okay, response validator method also you have created in last video. Validate status code. While getting the users, we have validated the status code. Is that API returned successful or not? Is that API returned successful or not? Okay, if it returns successful, then it will validate the status code. Is that 200 or not? After that, JObject is used to parse the response. Okay, because response will come in the form of JSON. Okay, response dot content, whatever content we are getting, that we are parsed into JSON object we want in JSON. Okay, after that we are passing, is that first name is Jannat or not? Okay, JSON of data, you can think like this. If the response come in the format like this, data in the data ID and first name. Okay, here whatever data we have passed in JSON, in that JSON data dot first name dot toString, we are converting into toString. Why we are converting into string? Because it will convert in the form of string. Okay, string object. Okay, and it will store in the first name. After that we will assert dot equal, is that first name Jannat or not? Okay, this is about the get request in API. We will teach other methods in next videos. Thank you.